Today is Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Small update for the V12. What I have done today, what's remaining, still the turbos remaining, alright, forget about the turbos, I don't have it. We haven't found any solution yet. Where am I? I received the seal for the thermostat housing because I had only the O-ring. I put the seal, I bolted down. I haven't closed this one. The thermostat itself, that's the thermostat, the upper piece, and the thermostat housing is the lower. Alright, I need the seal. I'm expecting the seal. So I put the new hose here, torque it down. I put the water pump pulley. I have put the guided pulley here. I put the idler pulley here, and it's remaining another one idler pulley here. Same part number like this one. I don't have it. This is what's remaining. Alright. Then I have received the throttle valve body gasket, the correct one. Let me show you. Just a second, let me take it out from there, put it on the table. Alright, now this is the old one. This is what I was wearing on the car. Alright, and this is the new one. I'm taking it out of the nylon bag. Alright, to compare it, to see the difference. Let's put it side by side to see the difference. That's the difference. This is greater. This is exactly the same diameter, the inner diameter, like the intake manifold. This is smaller. It's bothering the flow, if you're asking me at least. Before, what I did, before I get a new gasket, I had an old throttle. I put it together and then I put it on the lathe machine and I machined the gasket. Somebody on the comment section, he saw the video, he said to me that, you know what, Tassos, you dumb, you stupid. There is this part number, if you get this part number, it's exactly the same part number, exactly the same dimensions for this application. So now I learned my lesson. Instead of getting this gasket and machining it, I get the right one. Let's see how this looks like on the intake manifold. By the way, if you place an order for the throttle valve body gasket based on the VIN or based on the engine number, you're gonna get this one. Alright? Now, if you place it here, at least here, when you place an order for the new gasket, they're sending you this, that it's entering inside. There is a lip. Alright? If you get this one, just a second. It's almost perfect. It should be perfect. It sits nicely. It's not entering inside. And that's what I'm gonna use. This one goes back to the customer, to the owner, with his old parts. Let me mount also the throttle, cover it, and finalize the video. Like I said, it's an update, mostly for me, what's remaining, and for the owner, like any other time. When I'm gonna receive the seal, I'm not gonna make again another video because I'm gonna just put the seal between the thermostat and thermostat housing. I'm gonna torque it down. I'm gonna put also the pipe that goes, the black pipe that goes to the hose. Yeah, I mean, and that's it. Let me mount also the throttle to finalize it. The throttle back in place and it's looking good. We don't see any step here from the gasket. Nice. Amazing. Lovely. Beautiful. I'm gonna cover it. Gasket, the old one, like I said, inside the nylon bag out, and that's it. Let me do that. That's it for now. Covered, just in case you don't have any headache. Today I'm gonna finalize, like I said, the thermostat to finish also with that. See what's happening. I can continue. I can put the alternator housing here with the alternator. I have the seals, the inner and the outer for the alternator. I can put the AC compressor. I can put the power steering pump. The thing is, if I install these parts, I'm not gonna have access for the turbos because I remove all these parts and then I remove the turbos. So you see what's the problem? And okay. See, to put on the alternator, the AC compressor on the pump, it's not a big deal. It's 20 minutes maximum. All right, you're just torquing down a couple of bolts. That's it. Not something crazy. Now at this point I really need to put first the the turbochargers on, and then all the rest. That's it. Small update, once again, standing by. Alright, it depends who you're asking. Yeah, thank you, over and out.